Let me introduce the SVM-2000U vertical batch mixer, designed with convenience and practicality in mind. The SVM-2000U is a professional mixing solution that delivers reliable performance and efficient operation. The machine features a side-feeding design, making material loading quick and convenient. By opening the side inspection gate, operators can directly observe the mixing condition inside the hopper, allowing real-time monitoring of the process. The control panel is simple and user-friendly, equipped with a standard timer for easy operation. The discharge outlet is fitted with a manual slide gate, enabling fast and efficient material discharge after mixing. In addition, an optional suction pipe allows materials to be conveyed directly after mixing, significantly improving handling efficiency. A cleaning gate at the bottom of the hopper makes it easy to remove residual materials, ensuring cleanliness and preventing material contamination between batches. Powered by a premium brand motor, the mixing assembly is driven through a belt and pulley system, providing stable operation and excellent mixing performance. The hopper cover is equipped with a sight glass, while two inspection windows on the hopper body provide clear visibility of machine operation, mixing progress, and material levels, allowing operators to maintain full control throughout the process. The SVM-U series adopts a simultaneous feeding and mixing design, greatly reducing processing time. Materials are conveyed upward from the bottom of the hopper by a spiral screw, achieving thorough mixing during the conveying process. During operation, the side inspection gate can be opened to check the mixing condition and further enhance the mixing efficiency of materials at the bottom of the hopper. Once mixing is complete, simply open the manual discharge gate to quickly unload the materials. The SVM-U series also offers a variety of optional accessories to meet different application requirements, such as, you can choose the optional guardrail and maintenance ladder for operation safety. Optional high-level sensor can control the mixing process more precisely. Co-located with HA hot air dryer for continuous mixing and drying of materials. Through heat-resistant air pipe, the hot air enters the hopper and rises from the bottom to dry the materials. Meanwhile, it also has exhaust pipe and dust-free cloth bag to keep dust under control. Shiny SVM-U series of vertical batch mixer is your reliable mixing assistant.